Oh, I'm so excited to bring you these fabrics. Remember, the goal is great fabrics, great prices. So this is what we're going to start with, is a knit. It's 100% cotton. It's really usable on both sides. It's so pretty. It's a little bit like a terry. And it's lovely. It's great drape. It has stretch in both directions. It's so pretty. Pretty color. And then we have this 100% rayon, which you guys, so I'm making a tunic this week that I'm working on. I'll show it to you when I get done. But it's just this, so I kind of picked out fabrics that I felt like would look really good for a tunic. 100% rayon, it's great on both sides. It is the color for summer, just it's everywhere. And then this is a beautiful, it's like a shirting, but it's 100% cotton, it's reversible. I mean, the quality of these fabrics are just stunning to me. And look at this, isn't this amazing? Is that beautiful? So this is a true damask, where it's literally printed on both sides, so it's, you know, both layers are woven at the same time, but different colors, they show up. That's what a damask is. But isn't that beautiful? Just, can you see a tunic in that? Even a pair of capris I think would be so beautiful. And this has just been fun. I've been working on this because I really wanted to do some denim. And so we got this denim in, and you guys, this is before washing. It's like, you know, some old lady said at the store, this is really horrible. It's really not, because this is what you do to it. Little bottle of Coca-Cola, you wash it, and Coca-Cola, no soap. And it's amazing how soft it is. It's just gorgeous. And then we have 100% cotton on the denim. It's a dark blue. It's a navy blue. It's perfect. And then this is made in India. Isn't this beautiful? And I just can see this is a great tunic, shirt, just lovely for so many things. Okay, so the goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.